I'm gonna show you 4 Halloween crafts. So let's get to it. First one, the ghost hill. And as you can see, that's from a recycled egg box. So we cut these ones out from inside, and the kids painted them white.
Excellent.
Funny face.
And then the hill, they could decorate in any color they wanted and add some glitter and stickers and stuff.
Look where I put it.
There.
And then we dipped these ones in PVA glue and we stuck them on here. Super simple. And craft number 2, the bat. And that is made out of recycled paper roll. So you see, just cut out the ears, 2 triangles on the top. You mix a nice shade of brown. What do you need to mix brown? You need the 3 primary colors: blue, yellow, red. Yes, you guessed it. You paint this one and you cut out black wings out of paper, and then you glue on the paper and you paint eyes, nose and a mouth. Super simple. This one, because of the cutting, I would say maybe 3 to 5 year olds. Number 3, a Halloween poster. And that, as you can see, is made on an A4 card. And then we drew on the moon, a humongous moon in the middle. We painted the rest black.
Whoa, this is really dark.
And then we cut out a house, a haunted house. We opened up the doors and the windows, and then the kids drew ghosts and cats and whatnot in the windows. Number 4, face masks. I've made a video before about how to make paper mache, so if you want to learn, watch that one. Yes, you see where it is? You can take some. Try it on your unicorn. And some more white for the skull. Are you a scary unicorn?
Yeah.
My name is Charlotta from London Art Nanny, and I just opened a new group on Facebook called Mums and Dads of Creatives. I'll put a link below, and that's for anyone getting creative with little ones. If you want to share your crafts or get inspired by others crafting, join that group. Thank you Theo and Tindra for sending in these bats in the group. I love them. Keep up the good work. And if you like my arts and crafts videos, subscribe because I post them weekly, and I will see you next week. Bye!